selling one request, one idea to all the minister, all the president, because I have studied more. I have studied BSc Mathematics, MSc Maths, and B.Ed Education, M.Ed, MPhil. So I have a research mind. So in order to make people die because of starvation, and those who are having money in the government department, like working in bus and travel, all minister, they don't have any worries. They are very happy, simply sitting, and they are getting crores of rupees earning commission. So and so everything. I am a humanity. I want humanity. My philosophy is humanity. Okay, so many of them, they are having so many philosophy. My philosophy is humanity. I want humanity only. I want to save humanity. Okay, see, 40 days, if everything is locked and everything, without eating anything, and how can the people survey? And Tamil Nadu to salute that they used to give all 520 things from the ration. Here also little they used to give. How many days we have to eat for 10 kilo rice and everything? See, only 10 days also we cannot eat it. Those are having 4 members in the family. See, so it is better how Google, Amazon, everything is working. And please, my great request is, please you have to make every sales through online. So you have to, government should give a permission to all the shopkeeper that they give one servant and they have to sell through online only. Okay, and we can get it from the known person shop, because any thief also maybe come, they will also cheat, murder also they will do that. So it is better, see, we have to get it from the known shop, so that no humbug things will be happen, no cheating, or because known person, so they cannot do anything. Okay, it's a known person, and each and everybody, they should have a phone number. Okay, I am going to give the phone number of this ladies police, gents police, and cyber cam, that phone number, everything I am having. So I am going to give. It is better, all of them should have this number with you. So why not the government? Because all the things are very, very important. At least rice and pickles also we should have, at least for living, we should have at least rice, little wheat, and at least we should have a chutney, sambar, little. Should have a one time also we should have a sambar or chutney, pickles, anything you should have to adjust, manage. So my great request is, why not even those who are having more things, most of them they are keeping the old things they have sold. That is some of the shopkeepers, they are really lucky, they earn more rupees, lakh of rupees, and double price, and what can they do? They are not getting the available tools from outside. Then they will also they had got it for more money, so they will also automatically they will sell for 10 rupees, 20 rupees more, no harm. So anyway, that's all the things that those who are having shops, and they should have, they have to sold. It should be sold. So one idea I used to give that, please we have to make online through our known person shop. So all the shops, please you have to give, the government should give the permission to sell through online. Okay, all of them, each and everybody, they have to prepare a website, through website let they sell, and we have to get it from known person only. That is very, very important. We don't buy anything from outside unknown person. Otherwise China had to sell everything, dummy, okay, dummy tools, and it has sold, and it has got more price, and it has given that hit, there is a very worse hit. It has supported to all India, all world, they have earned more money. After bought we cannot return, that is the things, so it is better. Okay, if we are having one person shop, again our surrounding area, all of them, they are used to buy all tools and all everything, medical and stationery. Again, a particular shop only they used to buy nearby area. It is a real thing, common thing. Why not? It is better. So you have to give a permission. The state government and central, either the state government give the permission is more than enough. So I am giving the Maharashtra government, because in Maharashtra we are having more coronavirus spreading. So it is better, see, Maharashtra government should give the permission to them, okay, to sell through online. Okay, so give the permission. Okay, no need to get it from central government. Okay, a state government have a rule to that, to rule that particular state. So in all the state, why not we have to follow the same procedure? Okay, let they open that email, like Amazon, how Amazon is selling like that, all things. Let they each and every seller near to our areas, known person. Okay, let they keep on some person and let they sell according to their will and wish. They can sell. They will also bring and they will give it to the house, known person. Suppose we used to buy the medicine and their known things in one shop. Let they come and give the things, let it be. We used to buy it for 1,000 rupees or something, whatever it may be, 500, 200. So it is better we will get it from the shop. So like this, please give a permission for state government, then no problem. But going to school, it is a problem. Mumbai, 1:40, morning division, evening divisions. If it awaited small children, it kills slowly. Nobody will save small children. So school, how can they go? It's very difficult to run the school and exams and everything is gone because we had to give something to China people. We had to punish it. We had to take research and we give the punish them. They punished. Everything it is a loss in anywhere else in the formal, informal, non-formal system. Very failure. They are completely like a virus. China had filled the world also. Slowly poison like virus. It's a slow poison like virus. It purposely has spread without careless people. They had given more loss to the world also. So all the world you have to mix, mingle with each other. You have to write some constitution or something, write a document, and you have to tell anything, everything about against China. And for deaf people, they have to give minimum 5 lakhs in all the family. Those who are having a death, they have to give 5 lakhs. Like this, the constitution right? Let they give 5 lakhs and they will die. But they want to buy a HDFC, they want to buy other property, they want to buy other industry. They want to invest the money in coin. Coin, stupid. They have killed all the people. Killers. They are slow killers, silent killers. Killed all. And we are getting a loss. We shouldn't allow the China people go ahead. Let they give the penalty. I am telling that I am saluting our American president against telling against the China people. Okay. We have to do the research and they will be punished. They give the all death, 50,000 people are dying in America, just more than I think. I didn't see that, then I will come to know. So they have to give 5 lakhs to each and every people. Those who have died. It is the must. We shouldn't allow the China people to invest in anywhere else and they want to get more money, stupid. They are killers, killed all people and want to earn money, stupid. அவங்கள பாருங்கள், சைனா எல்லாத்தையும் கொண்டுட்டா எல்லா சத்தவங்களுக்கும் 5 லட்சம் கொடுக்கணும். உலகத்தில் எல்லாத்தையும் அழிச்சிட்டு அமெரிக்காவில் 50,000. ட்ரம்பே சொல்லுவாங்களே அவங்க ரிசர்ச் பண்ண உடம்புல ஏதோ ஒன்று இருக்குது, ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி அதை ப்ரூவ் பண்ணி அவனை பூரா மேலே கொண்டு போகக்கூடாது. நல்லா திமிரு பிடிச்சேன். சைனா ஐட்டம் கிடைக்கும், நல்லா திமிரு. அவனுக்கு நல்லா திமிரு பிடிச்சிட்டு நாசமாக போகிறக்கு எத்தனை குடும்பத்தை வச்சு அவன் குடும்பம் நாசமாக போகிறக்கு அவன் தெரியாமல கொண்டாலும் கொலை தானே. தெரிஞ்சு கொலை பண்ணாலும் தெரியாமல் கொலை பண்ணாலும் கொலை தான். அவனுக்கு பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கணும். அவன் செத்தவங்க எல்லாத்துக்கும் 5 லட்சம் கொடுக்கணும். அதாவது 5 லட்சம் கொடுத்து உயிரை கொண்டு வர முடியாது. எத்தனை பேர் உளப்பலிகள்லாம் சாவடிச்சிட்டான். அந்த குடும்பத்தை காப்பாற்றவங்க விளங்குவானா நாசமாக போகிறது. இந்த வைரஸை வச்சு அழித்து உலகத்தை பூரா சுடுகாடாக ஆக்கிட்டானே. உலகத்தை பூரா சுடுகாடாக ஆக்கி உலகத்தில் பூரா எல்லாம் செத்தாலாம் பேயே அலைய விட்டான். மனுஷன் அழுத இடத்துல பிசாசுகள் அலைஞ்சி அது ஆயில் ரேக குறையாக இருந்தால் தான் மேலோகம் போகும். ஆயிலோக இல்லைன்னா அது பூரா பரவு. They are having a life short, then only they will go to hell or heaven. Otherwise they will roam. They will catch others also. They won't allow them to stay. எத்தனை பேர் பேயாக அலைவாங்க. ஒரு பேயே 9 பேய் கூட சேரும். எல்லா பேயும் சேர்ந்து தான் அலையும். ஒரு மனுஷன் தூக்கிட்டு போகையில் whenever a dead person is there, we used to carry all the devil will sit on that. It makes very heavy. After going some place only, inside the village God is there, so they shouldn't come. Outside if you go, it is so weight they told. It is to tell dead body whenever they are carrying. The China people, they have made all devils and all Giving people to devil like that people like. They have to give 5 lakhs at least for they cannot compromise. For death it shouldn't be compromised by giving the 5 lakhs, but yes, affected family, what can they do? Those who are working and who are died, and those family who is going to take care of it, please see all of them, please all continue to take care of it. You have to make a constitution by writing that they have to give all death money 5 lakhs to for all. They are a great representative. So these things you have to tell online में. ஓகே வந்து சைனாக்காரன் தான் கொடுக்கணும். அசால்ட்டாக இருந்தால் எத்தனை பேரை கொலை பண்ணிடல, பேயே அலைய வச்சுட்டு ஆயில் குறைஞ்சுன்னா பேயே இருக்கணும். ஆயில் இல்லைன்னா பேயை தான் எல்லாம் அலையும். அதனால் அவனை சைனாக்காரனை தண்ணிக்கும் எல்லாத்துக்கும் 5 லட்சம் அவன் கொடுக்கணும். இப்போ ஆன்லைனில் வந்து இந்த ஒரு தெரிஞ்ச கடையிலேருந்து வாங்குறாப்புல அவங்க வந்து ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் பெர்மிஷன் வச்சு விற்காப்புல ஏதாவது ஒன்று பண்ணுங்க, அப்போ எல்லாத்துக்கும் கிடைக்கும். அந்த ஓனரே வீட்டுக்கு வந்து கொடுக்குறாப்புல தெரிஞ்சவங்க, தெரியாத வந்தாமல் ஏமாற்றணும், திருடங்கன்னா வருவாங்க. அதனால் தெரிஞ்சவங்கள वச்சு கொடுக்கலாம். मैंने उनका आइडिया देखो, सब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है ना, जो दुकानदार को उनको परमिशन देना चाहिए ऑनलाइन में. कम कर उसके ईमेल करेंगे तो थ्रू ऑनलाइन में हम लोग ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. सब दुकान वाला ईमेल करेंगे. हम यूट्यूब गूगल से भी कर सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज इट फॉर यूट्यूब एंड गूगल आल्सो. यूट्यूब एंड गूगल आल्सो दे कैन टेक यूट्यूब एंड गूगल आल्सो. प्लीज यू हैव टू मेक वन ऐप दैट you have to make one app because you are in a surface web. Other black web they can cheat also. So it is better in a surface app. You have to make one app that okay. So all the online like other people also, those were in the nearby shops, and they make a email, and through email we will get things like that. Only we can also use it. That system also very nice in order to fulfill all our amenities need. Otherwise you have to roam again, virus come. So it is better that particular shopkeeper will come and get everything from that. Like this है ना, we can make it this good. तो दुकान वाला के बोलने का जो पैसा देते वो घर में आके सब चीज़ देख सकता है. ऐसा ऑनलाइन में कुछ कर सकता है. हमारा ईमेल उनको जो मिक्स करके सर्विस पे यूट्यूब गूगल पे ऐसा आप बना कर भी मदद कर सकते हैं. ओके, ये तो प्रिपेयर ईमेल प्रिपेयर करके जो सामान ज़रूरत पड़ते उनको घर में ना जा सकते. ओके, अभी ऑल अंडरस्टूड? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सबको समझ में आया क्या? रंजिता सब पढ़ ले क्या? ओके, वेट, आई एम गोइंग टू डू सम वर्क, देन आफ्टर दैट आई कम एंड मीट.